Hi all, welcome back to our channel. The subject is maths. Solve 6 plus 2 the whole square. First 6 plus 2 into 6 plus 2 is equal to 6 into 6. 6 into 6 plus 6 into 2 plus 2 into 6 plus 2 into 2 is equal to 36 plus 12 plus 12 plus 4 is equal to 36 plus 24 plus 4. The answer is 4. Thank you.